So the other day I found this recipe on how to make your own peanut butter cups, and they do taste exactly like a specific brand, and they taste literally exactly the same. They are so yummy. So I'm going to show you how to make them at home because they literally taste amazing. So that's what today's video is going to be on. Okay, so these are so easy. You only need 4 ingredients. You need peanut butter, honey or golden syrup, chocolate to like melt around, put around the edge, and either flour or icing sugar. I made it with flour, and a lot of people commented like on my TikTok that I made and said it was weird because it was raw flour, which I totally get where they're coming from, but they still tasted really good. So I mean, you can use flour if you want to. I'm not sure how icing sugar tastes, but I am going to use flour in this video. So first of all, we need to put in our peanut butter. I actually found this recipe in cups, but I've converted it to grams, so it's either 1 cup or 128 grams of peanut butter into the bowl first. Now we need 1/4 cup of honey or 32 grams. So I'm going to add that in now. And now 1/3 of a cup or 43 grams of flour. So now all the ingredients for the center are in now. I'm going to begin to mix it. It should come together to form like it's kind of like a doughy texture. So now what we need to do is roll these into like balls, make them flatten and put them in the freezer for half an hour. Literally just like this, and then flattened a little bit. And I'm gonna make like a few different sizes of these. So here they all are, like the little discs. I've covered them over with cling film so they don't get that freezer taste, and I'm ready to put them in the freezer. There we go, they're in, and they're going in for half an hour. So they have now been in the freezer for like half an hour, so I'm going to melt some chocolate before I take them out. The chocolate is melted, so now all you do is literally take the discs. You just need to really carefully peel them up because they might be stuck a little bit, but they do come up. Then you literally drop them in there, cover them in chocolate, get them back out again, put them on a new plate, and this is going to go back in the freezer. They look very messy, but they're ready to go back in the freezer now. And I'm putting them back in for another half an hour.
A few moments later.
Right, here they are. They're out the freezer. You have to use a knife to like scrape them off. I've put my dressing gown on because the house is really cold. So here we've got one. I'm going to do a taste test. They honestly taste so good. Exactly like the ones you can buy in the shops.